Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set buy order on Binance. Alright, so first up, go ahead and go to Binance.com. Now go ahead and go to the top, hover over trade, and just click on spot. Okay. Now you'll be landed to the same exact page. Now what you're going to do in here is just go ahead over to the top right, select a pair. For example, we have here, maybe I'm just going to go ahead and select USDC. Okay. OG to your USDC. This is a pair right here. So just click on it, and here you have the chart. Now below it, okay, once you have your trading pair, below here we have limit, market, and stop limit. Of course, these ones right here are the order type. Okay, limit order. This one is recommended for control. Okay. Just basically enter the maximum price you're willing to pay and the amount to buy. For example, for 1.04 USDC, you're willing to pay 1000 OG. Now, this will be the total right here. Or if you want to, for the price, okay, you can go and choose 50%. All right. Now, when you hit on buy right here, okay, and hit on continue, the order will only fill if the price hits your limit. Okay, you can go ahead over to order history right here and trade history to check it out. Okay, so we have here market order. If you want this one, this is recommended for speed. Okay, if you want automatic, you can't wait. Okay, just basically select this one to buy or sell instantly at the best available current price. For example, 50%. Okay, OG, you want to sell it, well, sell it. Okay, so basically that. If you want to cancel your open orders, here you have the cancel button. Okay, now if you want a more advanced control, you can go ahead and use stop limit right here. Just click on it. Now what you're going to do is just go ahead and enter the amount where to stop or when to stop. For example, you have reached 1000 USDC. Now the price hits maybe, and the amount would be this one. This amount of OG. Now, if you want this one, you gotta click on buy. Okay. If a certain price is reached, well, you'll have your order. All right. And that is how you set buy order on Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.